Hello guys, how are you? And today we will talk about the theory of evolution. क्या हमारे पूर्वज सचमुच बंदर थे? क्या सचमुच हमारे जितने भी एंसेस्टर्स थे वो सब सेम ही काम कर रहे थे? क्या एवोल्यूशन एक झूठी कहानी है या एक थ्योरी है या एक फैक्ट भी है? तो चलिए इस वीडियो में हम लोग यही जानेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, if we see what is evolution, so according to Charles Darwin, mutation is a evolution, and in this evolution it is depend on the four pillars. First pillar is natural selection, means in any environment that animal, how much perfect it fit on that environment is nothing but natural selection. And in natural selection we can see that a cactus will grow in sand or desert region but can't grow in normal areas. And same like this natural selection theory works, that in a environment how any living being fit inside. And the second pillar of the evolution is nothing but extinction, means the extinction of other animals. Like imagine any of the animal have the same species. What happened that one day because of any natural calamities, one of the species died completely and another species came into that area and then after survive in that area. And because of this huge space they will increase their population, and how the evolution will process in this point. Then after, third thing, तीसरी चीज, and one of the most intersecting thing is that imagine that any of the mosquito or like not mosquito, but we got example from like moles. So how moles evolved? By the reproduction of donkey and horse. And when they both reproduce, then after moles came, which can't reproduce itself, but actually it is a living organism and it fits in its environment. And that's why it is also one of the pillar of evolution. And the fourth one is that imagine any of the species change into other species by gene mutation. Like sometimes we can see that our parents have different color eyes, but the child has different color of eyes, and it is nothing, it is gene mutation of eyes. And that's why it is also a evolution. And how many years evolution take place? So it may be possible that it takes thousands, millions of the years. And in the second place, we can also see that in only 1-2 years it can evolve itself. Then after, the next thing, that actually the humans ancestors were the monkeys. So the answer is no. First of all, if we deep down in this the world of evolution, so first of all we can see that Luca and the Fuca were the universal ancestors of these all living organisms in our whole earth. And in these two organisms, which are actually were microorganisms, they make every living being in our earth. And if I talk about that, actually we come from monkeys, so the direct answer is no. The theory of evolution said that the ancestors of monkey, chimpanzee, and humans, all these animals have the same ancestor, which is no one but our old ancestors like Homo erectus. And that's why we should conclude in this evolution chapter that always remember that evolution is a true theory, and it is also fact that the theory of evolution have an important role in so many areas. Like in evolution, because of evolution, we can identify ourselves and make our life more happier or more comfortable, or we can also survive for long years if we see the correct theory of evolution. And also we can see that also these mosquitoes also have a evolution effect. Do you know how? So these mosquitoes, so which are too much small but have some mutation, like the small mosquitoes are the one who can cause dengue also, malaria also. And in this insect, if any normal mosquito get in the group of the dengue mosquito, may possible that it also convert into a dengue mosquito. So remember that there are so many possibilities in evolution, and always remember that in evolution there is no any linear side. Evolution spread in all of the side, and it is too much tough for understanding the evolution. And that's why don't follow these all people who are saying that evolution is a wrong theory, and follow the science. And also our aim is to spread rational thinking to the whole world. So goodbye, tata, namaste.